This dish is something one night I tossed together on a whim, and it ended up being a favorite in my rotation for a quick weeknight dinner. Let's make some Kielbasa pierogies. The first thing we're going to do is toss our pierogies into a pot of boiling water. Once these float to the top, take them out to cool and dry. Use a paper towel for the best results. While those are cooking, add some olive oil to a pan on medium heat. When the oil is heated, add in your peppers and onions. Sauté these vegetables with some salt and pepper. Once the vegetables have softened, add in your kielbasa. Toss everything together and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Before we start our sauce, add in a couple tablespoons of minced garlic. Stir that in before adding about 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Get all the ingredients nicely coated in the mustard. Lastly, we're going to add about a cup of chicken stock and mix everything together. Bring the sauce up to a simmer and then turn the heat down to a medium-low. We can fry up the pierogies while that simmers and thickens. To a frying pan on high heat, add in some unsalted butter. Arrange your pierogies in an even layer for the best browning. After about a minute, they should be browned and good to flip. Try to get the same browning on the other side of the pierogies, and then they are good to go. Back to the kielbasa. Your sauce should have thickened nicely like this. Serve the kielbasa atop pierogies and make sure to add a little extra sauce on top. The crunchy shell of the pierogies, along with the tangy mustard sauce, provide an excellent combo, and this meal comes together in about half an hour. This makes about 3 servings, coming in at about 400 calories and nearly 20 grams of protein. Enjoy!